Hey everyone, and welcome back to another review. Now today I'm looking at some southern fried chicken fillets that I found in Farm Foods, and it's American Ranch Foods southern fried fillets, 100% chicken breast. There you go, let's have a look at the packaging. As I say, from Farm Foods, 960 gram bag. Cost me $4.99. Now, it is 100% chicken breast, cooked from frozen 5 to 6 minutes. Frozen chicken breast fillets in a southern fried, seasoned and herb crumb coating. From what I can see, it looks quite interesting. Let's get them open and have a look. It's quite a big bag. What is going on here? What's going on? That's better. Right. Ooh, they look interesting. Look at these. Quite a big fillet, but look at the herb coating on it as well. And they're all big fillets. Look at that. And although it's frozen, they smell quite nice too. That'd be nice in a burger, wouldn't it? Have I got? Yes, I have. I'm gonna make a burger. Right. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna go and cook some of these off, and I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Right, here we go. Just out of the air fryer. Look at those. They actually look very nice. Very nice. Nice crunchy coating. They smell very good, I've got to say. Very good. What I'm going to do actually, if I take one off of there, I'll cut one in half and then we can have a look inside. There we go, look at that. Now, gonna give one a taste on its own, and then one's going in a burger. So the one I've cut in half, we're gonna give that a taste. Look at that. So, as I say, smells good. The herb, quite strong. You can taste the southern fried coating. The chicken's nice. And that herby coating gives it a bit of wow. Now, I think that's quite nice. Brioche bun on its last legs, but we'll forgive it. Now, I did do a chicken burger the other day, and I think I said my favourite way of having it. Pretty boring, pretty box standard, lettuce and mayo. That's just the way I roll. So, that's the bottom. Mayo on the bottom, on goes the chicken, and then we go in with more mayo and some lettuce. Now the mayo on top of the chicken should sort of keep the lettuce in its place. My boy will be in a minute and he'll say, "Did you do me one?" Let's see if he does. Let's see if he does. Right, so, and there it is. That's a chicken burger. Throwing lettuce everywhere. Let's give this a try. Naughty, very naughty. Do you know what? I like that. How many fillets were in the bag? I counted them. I think it was 8. So a £5 for 8. I'm pretty damn impressed. The chicken's nice. The coating is nice. And that herb, just, if you're not a fan of herbs, you're not going to like this because it's quite strong flavour. Just gives it that little twist, that little edge, that little something different. Well, I'll tell you what. Banging. Goes well with the brioche bun, the lettuce and the mayo. Oh wow. Guys, that's it from me. I'm going to wrap it up there and I can demolish the rest of this. So guys, yeah, that's it from me. Thanks for watching. I'm going to love you and leave you. I'm out of here. Take care. And I'll see you on the next review.